Start from the top. We have fly brown grips with kink wolf bars. We got a gold profile stem, animal gold headset integrated. We have Odyssey 41 forks, profile gold hubs with standard black spokes and nipples on an Odyssey hazard light with fit 5K foldings. Then for the frame we have a nitrous piston. Just got that not too long ago. Then we have profile cranks, profile sprocket, Odyssey pedals, KMC hollow link hollow pin chain. Then we have a kink seat pivotal with a gold profile seat clamp and a shadow seat post. Then we have the same setup back here with the Fit 5K and the profiles. And yeah, it's my bike check.